Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So in this lecture here, we're gonna be learning something super cool. We're gonna grab data from tuples. We're gonna convert them into lists, right? We're gonna convert tuples into lists, modify the data, and then return it back as a tuple. So that way we can safely modify data and make our applications actually work properly. So let's go ahead and see how we can convert tuples into lists, modify the data, and convert them back into tuples. So we'll grab, we'll create a tuple here of colors, first of all. And this one like this. This is just a immutable tuple here. Remember that tuples are immutable, so we don't even have to say it. So we cannot change its data. So what we need to do is we need to change it into something else, a different data structure, so that way we could modify it and then safely return that data back into a tuple or convert it back. So we'll use the list function here to convert this into a list. And now that it's converted, we can grab color lists here. Let's say, for example, and append a color to it. So let's append yellow. Simple as that, right? Let's go ahead and also remove the green from it. So we're modifying, we're doing different things to it. So let's grab this and remove it. Now, we'll remove it here, right? So boom. That, and now if we print this, let's go ahead and print, yeah. Let's print it here. I went blank there for a minute. I was in another lecture. So you can see, let's do this, and you can see that red, blue, and yellow. So it's modified, right? We remove green and we appended yellow. Great. That's good. Now let's convert the list back into a tuple. So let's grab colors and let's use the tuple function here. And we'll grab color list, just like this. And now we can print this back. And let's see what we got. And you can see now that we do have a tuple at the end. We have a list here. You can see the square brackets, but now we have parentheses. So that's an indication that it is a tuple. You can also use the type function here to find out what data type that is. But I mean, there are different ways of actually doing this and finding out what class you have, if it's a dictionary or what it is, or a set or a string. But anyway, let me give you a different real world example here. So let's grab a contact here. And let me use this Jose again here. We use Jose a lot, right? And Jose has an email. I'm just gonna use Gmail here for simplicity. And I'm gonna use some random numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. All right, so we can print this and you can see that there we go. All right, you can see it down here. You can see the tuple. All right. So now what I want to do is, we grab the contact. We create a variable, actually. We say we contact list. And we'll wrap it, just like we did, in this list function, right? We grab that, we grab the tuple and we wrap it in the list function. And then let's go ahead and modify it. So grab contact list. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the square brackets, this time, I'm gonna modify number 1. And I'm gonna say, instead of Jose at Gmail, I'm gonna say Jose dot, I don't know, new at Gmail. Just a little modification here, nothing much. And we'll grab here and we'll create this back. We'll turn this back into a tuple. So we'll say contact list. And now if I print contact here, you can see now that it is a tuple and we have jose.newgmail.com and with the new data, right? Super, super cool stuff. All right. All right. Alrighty, guys, that's it for this lecture here. Hopefully you guys learned a bunch And let's take it up to the next lecture here, and let's keep leveling up. I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.